today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable driver signature enforcement on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, select the power icon, and then hold down the shift key on your keyboard and select restart. And then you want to select the troubleshoot, reset your PC, or see advanced options, and then select advanced options again, and select startup settings, change Windows startup behavior, and select restart. You want to select the F7 or function 7 key on the top of your keyboard. This is disable driver signature enforcement. Go ahead and select that and then allow your computer to reboot. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.